Hey, welcome. Good to see you again. We're going to start this lesson off with Microsoft PowerPoint Lesson 3 in Jasperactive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and change it up to Lesson 3. I haven't taken the quiz yet, so I'm going to select the first answer and tab space my way through it, hoping for a big fail. And there we go. 0 out of 15. Perfect. All right. So remember, if you get better than that, you should click the activate all button right here to make sure that you don't have any lessons hidden from you or any exercises hidden from you. I'm going to start with using the outline view. And here we go. You resize the window so you can see it. And I think I might enlargificate the font size so I can read it. Here we go. Step number 1 says click the View tab, and in the Presentation Views group, you're going to select Outline View. Not much showing right now, so what I want to do, just to make sure you guys understand how this works, in the Outline View, I'm going to actually go down here to my Zoom slider and make my slide as small as possible, so 10%. All of the work I do right now in Outline View, I'm going to be typing right here. So, travel the world with Tolano. And when I'm done typing the title, I hit enter and it makes a new slide. But I don't want a new slide, I want a subtitle. So I'm going to hit the tab key and then I will type one adventure after another. Now when I hit enter, it wants to keep me indented. So the opposite of the tab key is hold down the shift key on your keyboard and hit tab, and that moves you up a level. So now we're at a new slide again. So I'm going to type agenda, the title of that slide, and press enter. And I'm going to type bicycle tours, press enter, and haunted house tours, and enter. Now we want to go back, and after the agenda, we want to uh, add bicycle tours. So I can hit the backspace key and then the up arrow key, or I could click right here behind agenda, but I'm going to do the up arrow key and hit enter and then tab. And I'm going to list those two slide titles, bicycle tours and haunted house tours, on the agenda slide. Now I'm clicking back to the end slide. I think I did that a little out of order from the Jasperactive directions, but it should be okay. So we have everything we need. Now I'm going to click the next button in Jasperactive, and it's going to have us do a file save as. So go to the file menu in PowerPoint and save a copy. And you're going to browse to, and I'm going to double click this PC, and then I'm going to browse to Documents, Jasperactive, and My Projects. And the presentation title is going to be Tours. And then click Save. And let's submit it and see what we get. 100%. Round of applause. We're going to do the next one called importing outlines. Here we go. Come on, Jasperactive. Let me resize the window so you can see it. And it says, start by going to the View tab, and you're going to select Presentation Views again, Outline View. Then, on the Home tab, change to the Home tab, where it says New Slide, you're going to do the drop-down menu, the More button under New Slide, and notice down here, we're getting into the Microsoft test arena right now. They want you to be able to, every one of these things, we're going to say New Slide, Slides from Outline. And now it wants us to browse to Documents, Jasperactive Resource Files, and look, it took us right there. Now we're going to look for Travel the World with Tolano Outline. It's a text, a .txt document. Click Insert. And 4 slides have been created. Looks a lot like what we did the first part of this exercise. I'm going to go ahead and click on that blank slide at the beginning, and you can either hit the delete key to bring everything up to you or hit the backspace key to delete it. Delete key is going to have to be the winner. Backspace key did not work for me. So, step 2 says import a Word document. So change to the slide sorter view. I'll go to the View tab, Slide Sorter View, and let me zoom out a little bit so you can see more of what we have. There's 4 slides. Click after the last slide. On the Home tab, New Slide, you're going to say Slides from Outline. Now they tell you to browse to it, but it's already got us there. Marketing Presentation Outline is the second one. So the first one was a text file. This one is a Word document. I'm going to go ahead and click Insert now, and it should insert for us 5 new slides, 5 through 13. Well, more than 5. So 5 through 13 have now been created. Now we're going to go File, Save As, or Save a Copy, and double click this PC, and in the Documents folder, select your Jasperactive folder. Instead of, and then I need to save it in my Projects folder. So notice we're in Jasperactive My Projects folder. Title it Imported Outlines Final. Notice I'm capitalizing and spelling just as they do. Click Save. Got it. And let's submit. See what we get. Yes! 100%. There it is. The first 2 exercises in lesson 3, using the outline view and importing outlines. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We are going to stop the recording.